First thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the side panels off. We're going to pull the hood off so we can get to everything. So we got quarter turn, easy peasy. Same thing with the other side. Quarter turn, pops right off. Now with this, you got a quarter turn D-ring, done. Quarter turn D-ring, done. Then you just gotta push this in. I can do it with one hand. Just unplug that, the whole hood will slide right off. One of the tips I recommend is when you slide the hood back on, sometimes you'll hit the end of this right here, and it'll just crack that open a little bit, and it'll leak antifreeze. So just make sure that when you put it on, that stays tight. There we go. Okay, well, let's get these shocks on. So we got 13 millimeter bolt, 15 millimeter nut. Alright, so flange nut off. The bottom's the same thing, 13 and 15. Take off the pressure. Bam. Same thing with the upper one. Let's see what we got here. Hose in. We got you on there. Got to push the hose in a little bit, get that bolt out. And there we go. One shock out. Alright, so we got right shock. Here we need a little grease in that. Okay, so we got the shock setting in there. So we'll just we'll lube this up a little bit. Just the inside. Just lube the shaft of the bolt up a little. Not on the threads, but just up the whisker. When I put that in. Just got to collapse that hose. Just kind of reach in the back there and see, push that in. There. We'll just put a little Loctite 242. Put that right on there. Snug that up. Got my Loctite on. Nice and fancy. Now we'll just do the bottom one. We'll just have to lift up on it a little bit. Get a little grease on it. There. A little Loctite. Tighten it up. What's the matter? What are you growling about? Huh? What are you growling about? There's a nut. There's the nut. There's the bolt. Now we'll do the bottom one. There. Gotta have my grease. Get the little grease. Get it on the bolt. There she goes. Whew. There she goes. There. I'll get the same with the bottom. Beautiful. What? What do you hear? Huh? What do you hear, guard dog? What do you hear? Huh? What do you hear? What do you hear, Riley? Somebody out there? Somebody here? There's one. Gotta do the top one now. How's it looking, Riley? Still raining hard out, huh? Can't go outside and play or nothing when it's raining out. Well, you can, but finally. Snug her up. Boom. There we go. 2 down. Woo. Baby. Look at that, huh? Stage 5. It's got the high-low compression and rebound, which the stock QS3s do not have. They have no rebound, and it takes more than 1 to 1.5 seconds to rebound, so off they come. All right, let's see what else we can do.